Alright, so the first thing you want to make sure when you're on the bench is you want to make sure that chest is nice and high, right? Bring those shoulders back, get that chest high, make sure your feet are stable, and then you come back on the bench, push those shoulders into the bench, and get that chest high, alright? And I'm going to show y'all a few reps, alright? So we're down. Getting that chest high. Get your arms a little bit outside the shoulder width. Get a nice grip. You're coming down to the lower chest. Just roll it up. Don't worry. Yeah, that was really lightweight. When you're warming up with lightweight, treat it like it's heavy. That way when you get to the heavyweight, your body already knows you're about to go hard.